Okay guys, I'm outside of a hospital that has been abandoned for a while now. Kind of my heart's pumping because they said this hospital is haunted and I'm by myself. And let's go check it out. I guess this was the reception or something. God, this is creepy. What the hell is that? It's like some storage kind of thing. And for you guys that told me to get a flashlight, I got the hold on guys. I got the Ultra Fire 1600 lumen, which is pretty badass. Sorry if I'm quiet, guys. Let's go over here first, check what's over here. And I guess this is just like a rest area kind of thing where they go outside. Okay, my camera just turned off for no fucking reason at all. Like I said, this one would be restrooms. Let's go to the second floor, guys. Not through there. I love this light. This light's pretty badass. Put this so I guess it won't close. I guess upstairs right here is where the rooms were. This is one of the rooms, guys. As you can see the street from here. Oh man, this shit's creepy. I heard a few noises, but I'm trying to not mind it. Another room. Restroom, computer, nurses, receptions, I think. It's another room right there. Oh man, for some reason this shit is cold in here. This is like, I guess, the VIP room is super big. And yeah, oh, sorry guys, I'm lost for words because I'm kind of scared because like I told you, I've been hearing some noises. But I'm doing this because I love it, you know. The stairs, they go up to the third floor. Let's keep looking on the second floor. Oh no, I am not going to pick my head there. It's another room. Wires, cables, copper. I heard that people come here and scrap the equipment for the hospital so they can get some money. Let's go this way. But oh, elevator shaft. How deep can you go? Okay. Restroom, I think. Rooms. Let's see. Here's the part of the roof. Hold on, guys. Oh, I guess we're all the way on the top. Okay. So here's the roof. Well, not all the way top, obviously, because now we'll be in the roof. This hospital only had 3 floors because they had the big hospital like 5 minutes away from here. So another stairs. Look at this broken glass. That's the other building of the hospital. They use like a clinic. Did I just hear somebody? And I guess we came out to an exit. I was over there, guys. I was right over there. Well, my flashlight is dying, so I'm not gonna be using that one. Alright guys, if you see my face, I'm kind of scared. I'm still shaking a little bit because I heard some noises. Okay, this shit is creepy, sorry guys. But anyways, let me go outside and go inside the other room, because that room over there where I came in takes you to the upper floors. That way I can go inside and back around. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back in. So we went through there, all the way back there. Alright guys, I'm leaving. That shit is blood. Well, this was a creepy ass experience. I sure will come back. But next time I come back, I'm gonna be with some friends. Alright, we came through here. As you can see, oh shit. As you can see, my light is running out of battery because it doesn't shine that much, and it's getting super dark in here. So I'm gonna leave like a tree. Well, anyways, guys, it was pretty badass. I liked it. I will come back. I will come back. Okay, this shit was trying to get someone a seizure. But alright guys, this was it for the Haunted Hotel. Haunted Hotel, sorry. I don't know what to say. Haunted Hospital. I will come back. Like I said, I heard some noises and got a little shook up. I heard some voices, but hopefully the camera picked them up. I went all the way to the top floor. Not too much to see, just, you know, scraps and everything. But see you guys later. Thanks. Subscribe, like, leave comments below. How can I improve my videos? And thank you guys. Peace.